Hello, this is my 2003 Land Rover Defender TD5. As I have mentioned in a few of my previous videos, my wife and I are about to embark on a road trip down through France and Spain. Here I'm tracing the approximate route that we're going to take. We're not sure how much time it's going to take us, but we certainly aren't going to be in any hurry. One of the absolute sites that we want to see is the nature reserve in the south of France, the Camargue. We want to spend a bit of time there and just have a good look around. I am going to video a lot of it, and I will try to post some of the video on this channel. So now that brief explanation is over and done with, let's get down to what this video is really about. And that is what tools I am taking on the trip and what spares I'm carrying. The spares that I'm going to be carrying are all based on my previous experiences with my Land Rover TD5. And what I mean by that are things that have caused me to break down in the past, such as brake lines failing, serpentine belts wearing out, wheel bearings wearing out, just general spares really. I'm obviously not going to be able to foresee every eventuality, and I've got some oils and the various fluids stored in another part of the vehicle. Regarding tools, I'm virtually taking every spanner and socket that I possess, and I'm even taking the trolley jack. The images that you're looking at now are of everything that I'm taking along with me on this road trip to look after and maintain my Land Rover Defender TD5. So that's it. It's the 2nd of September 2025 and my wife's going to be really excited because today's the day we start our road trip. If you've reached this far in the video, I thank you, and I thank you for your subscription.